Today we will do, so what we will understand today is about, we spoke about the bag of words, right? Bag of words and TF-IDF. So we will see how we'll be using the bag of words to convert this into this one. Okay, for that we will be requiring, how will I share you the code? Not the code, the data I have to share.
And also the one not encoding also example.
One not encoding is not important because that is not used.
Okay. Okay. So we were discussing of bag of words, TF, IDF, and word to vec and n-grams also.
Yeah, that will be part of, but the data, how will I share any, they have not created the,
Arpan, we already signed up for the class and everything.
We talk about the part of speech that for the grammatical, it will for the nouns and verbs, part of speech starting.
yeah, that is there, yes.
Okay.
Arpan, what is that, Arpan? Part of speech?
We are not done, you will understand.
Yeah. In this chat, you can give, right, Arpan?
Attachment is not there, no?
But normally in your other class, oh, yeah, they didn't enable it, Arpan.
Okay, so I have mailed you one data, okay? So what we are going to do this, we are going to practice this bag of words. Uh, so this bag of words we are going to practice so that we are able to understand how we are doing in the real data, okay? So this is a spam ham prediction data, okay?
Arpan, you have sent it, Arpan?
Yeah, I just made it, will take little time.
I got it.
I didn't. Yeah, spam. Yeah, I got it.
Got it, Arpan.
Open a new notepad, not notepad, Jupyter notebook,
Arpan, collab or this one, Arpan?
Colab or Jupyter, anything will do.
Yeah. Arpan, here I can upload it, right?
Not like that. You have downloaded it, right? Now go to open your Jupyter notebook. This is your collab. Then collab, then click on this here file and upload here. Yeah, click on the upload. Yeah. People who are using Jupyter notebook, in the home page of Jupyter notebook, click on upload and then upload this CSV file. And then there is a new button. Click on new and create a new Jupyter notebook. Done, everybody. Uploaded, created a Jupyter notebook.
But I'm actually getting an error when I'm trying to open Jupyter.
Share the screen.
Yeah. Can I share? Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing it.
First of all, upload the file here. Click on the upload here. It is already open, right? What is the error you're getting? Nothing.
Okay, no. When I've opened it here. Okay, fine. Yeah. Upload. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Arpan. It is there.
Yeah, now don't open the file. Open a new Jupyter notebook. Click on new, open a new Jupyter notebook.
Okay. Yes, Arpan.
Rename it as bag of words. At the top, untitled 4 is coming, no? Rename it as a bag of words. Okay, so everybody done this setup. Now copy paste this code. We are importing pandas, and then from the pandas, we are just reading the CSV file, and we want to see the data frame. Execute, and then in the next line, execute it, not create, execute.
Okay. Yeah, yeah,
Click
yes.
on the run, yeah. And in the next line, write messages dot head, bracket open, bracket close. Messages is the data frame. So write messages dot head, bracket open, bracket close.
Mm.
Okay, so what we are able to see, dot head, messages dot head. Why bracket and all you have given? Messages dot head. Messages dot head. That, array, not like that.
Okay.
Remove the bracket. You have not you don't know Python at all, right?
No, Arpan.
That's why. Okay, after head, open a bracket, simple bracket, and then close the simple bracket. So it's an object we are creating. Execute.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so what we have a messages column, which is a textual data, and this is a machine learning problem. What we are trying to do this data set is, and then we have a target column, which is nothing but ham or spam. Okay, everybody able to see this?
Yes, Arpan.
Others, Chandrasekhar,
Yes, sir. Yes, Arpan. It's working fine for us, sir.
Rajesh, Sriharika.
But,
And I'm able to see that. Yeah.
Okay, now our our main column is what this one, the message column, which is of where we have to perform. We have to do the pre-processing because these are all textual data, which is not going to be rendered properly by the normal stuff, right? So then first thing first, what we will do, we will do a data cleaning and pre-processing step. So we are doing like a project here only. Okay. Once we get the data, what we will do? Stop word removal. So copy paste.
Top word removal. Yes, sir.
Then we are using Porter stemmer, and then we are creating this for loop to remove the stop word and the Porter stemmer. So you do step by step, one by one. So this is the same thing which you have done yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Nothing new. Again, copy. Now the Porter stemmer we are doing. Next one.
Perhaps.
Do not copy the entire thing. Copy one by
Okay.
one.
From.
Middle one.
Okay.
Stop word you have done, right? Porter stemmer you have to copy. Don't copy the entire thing.
Yes, Arpan, I've copied from here.
You're
Okay.
copying the entire thing, the middle one, yes.
Porter stemmer.
We are importing the stopword and the Porter stemmer. Also the same thing we have done. Now we want to apply this to our data set. So now copy the last bit of the code. Where we are applying, we are creating a corpus null list, and then we are running a for loop just like yesterday we did, and then we are trying to get the corpus which does not have the stop words and also only having the root word. Okay,
Arpan, only alphabets, lowercase, then no stopwords, and then
now just type corpus in this cell and execute. Once it is done, wait, the above one has not yet executed. Wait, see, there is a star button. Star is there, right, between the brackets. 4 5. See, star is there. Can you see the star? Yeah, left. Left. Yeah, see, within the
Yes.
square bracket, star means it is still executing. Let it
Okay.
complete.
Okay. Okay.
Once it will get executed, you will get number 6 there.
Okay.
Hmm.
yeah. So Arpan, the root word is done by stemming only, right?
So you can see here the corpus what we got, it does not have the stop words and it has created a list of entire rows, right? All the rows which were there, from that row, it has created a list of all the values, right? Exactly like the same thing we did yesterday also. Okay.
Arpan, I'm sorry for this small question. The corpus is just to give the text format, right, for us?
Corpus is a variable we have given. We are just taking the messages column,
Okay, just
removing
take
the
the
stop
message.
words and doing stemming.
Arpan, it's a list, right? Because it has multiple sentences are there.
So it is what?
It's a list with multiple
Multiple,
sentences.
yeah.
Yeah.
List with multiple things.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let us create the bag of words. Okay. So let me pass you the code, copy one by one. Then I'm doing a fit transform. And then I'm putting this into words. Okay. Execute.
So, Arpan, what is exactly the for loop we're using? sklearn that feature to extraction. This is
User
where
extraction.
we are
So what we are
getting.
doing here, yeah, wait. Count vectorizer is the class which will do the bag of words. Okay.
Mhm.
Count vectorizer we are using to do the bag of words here. Okay. And then we are calling this, creating an object. Okay. With the max features as 10. What is the max features?
We have put it as 100 Arpan.
100. Yeah.
Max feature is 100 means dimension, number of dimensions of the vectors is 100. Okay.
Yeah.
And then for each sentence, the dimension is 100. And then we are just telling fit transform. Fit transform is a function which will help you to convert your text into vectors. The fit transform is doing that. That is converting into an array. And in order to display that array, I'm just this print option just so that you can see that the text which was there in the list now got converted into numbers. Okay, clear everybody? So whatever we learn theoretically, just a class, just a class just a class count vectorizer is doing that bag of word things.
Arpan, what is this doing, Arpan? Edge items is equal to 30, line width
That is for printing. Just
only.
to show you this like this. What is the display you are showing, that for printing we are giving this. Otherwise, because it is just imagine 100, each line being represented in 100, so many lines, you will not be able to see that properly. That's why that's printing we are doing. The main important part is the count vectorizer.
This converts into the text into format of arrays, right?
Vectors.
Yeah, in the interview they ask you what if how you do bag of word thing. The bag of word is done by using the class called count vectorizer. Okay. So you're using count vectorizer to convert them into numbers or vectors. They're also parse vectors, right? We saw yesterday. 1 and 0 only they will give. Okay. Now, if I want to check how many unique word along with their total number of count they have come, right? So there is something called, this function is there, dot vocabulary underscore, copy paste. How many unique words and their count, number of times they have come, because it's a text with a message, right? So their possibilities are there that say a word can come multiple times. If you just see here, this is the number it is giving you. Why it is giving like this? CV dot vocabulary. Yeah, see 22 you're seeing, right? 22, 25, 24, 91, 57. So that word go has been repeated 22 times. Great has been repeated 25 times. Okay. So the vocabulary underscore is giving you the output, which will help you to give you the unique words with their count, number of times they have been repeated.
Arpan, in vector, we can see only 0 and 1, or we can see 2 also, Arpan.
Sorry, what is your question?
I mean, you told in vector, we can see 0 and 1 only, right? If you think, if we take that array, we can see 2 number also in that list.
Are you able to see two, right? That is a count, right?
Count, okay.
In that sentence, the word might have come twice, right? So that is why it is giving two.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes, Arpan.
Now let us understand the n-gram, right? Which we saw yesterday. How we can do n-gram. So let us take a simple sentence, copy paste this code. Okay, import this. You are doing again for the first time. Import NLP and Plunkett do this.
It is already there, Arpan. Import analytic is already there.
In this cell, you have done, right? Remove that.
Arpan, this CV dot vocabulary, it is taking from the vector and doing it, Arpan.
CV is your variable name.
CV is my corpus, sir.
Yeah, that is your variable name.
Yeah. But CV, we already converted it into a vector, right, Arpan?
CV is the variable name where you are storing the entire corpus in the form of vectors using count vectorizer. Now using that, because it's a count vectorizer, inside count vectorizer class, there is a function called vocabulary underscore, which will help you give you the count. That's what I have written there. See here with the comment. I have given in the comment only vocabulary.
The unique words along with
Yeah.
these.
Count vectorizer has a function called vocabulary. Okay.
Okay. Arpan,
Count
like
vectorizer is the class. CV is the object you are creating of the class. Now, since count vectorizer in the class, it has a function called vocabulary underscore. Vocabulary underscore function. Somebody has written for us. What does that function do? It counts the unique words. Number of times the unique word has come.
Okay. The, so this go is coming 22 times. Is it the index of go in the vector or 22 times go has come? This go 22 is the location of go in the vector, or is it 22 times repetition of go?
Index number along with the index number.
In the vector, right, Arpan?
Yeah.
Okay. We have our vector is of dimension 100, so it means that it is in the 22nd location.
22nd, yes. Index number, like, because it is a list, right? So you can index it like CV square bracket 22. If you give, you will get go.
So CV square brackets 22, we'll get it as.
In Python, this indexing is there. No, you will get go like this. Okay. Index, I am sure you guys know, right? Index means what? Normal indexing.
It's like a pointer.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I say
Same indexing, you can do it here. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the n-gram part. Scroll down. What we did, I have passed a sentence called I love cats. Now I want n-gram words is equal to 2. So I want the combination of the words. So I love and love cats. Okay, just passing this n-gram option, I'm able to do that. Now let us try to incorporate the same thing using the bag of word with n-gram. Okay, this is just to show you how it works.
One quick question. So we do have the three words here, right? It's like a combination of these three words. Like we got two words, like I love cats. It's just
Bigram we are creating, no? Yesterday we told you, right? Combination. I want combination of two words. So you have three words. So obviously combination of both the words it will have, no? I love cats. That only it will come.
it will not come I cat something like this or just the adjacent words. All the combination of
How come I cat will come? Because it will not. It is not the position. It will not displace. No,
okay.
there is a meaning, right? I love cats. So it will, that position it will maintain, right? So that's why it is giving a combination. I love and love cats.
Okay.
Now I want to incorporate the same logic into our bag of words. Okay, copy paste this one. Okay. Now let us. I want to see what has happened to X. So type X and execute.
Arpan, that word tokenize, I need to import NLTK only, right? I'm getting an error.
Capital X. It is case sensitive. Although we will not understand much of it, but what it will get is it n-gram 2 comma 3. What does that function means? I told include bigram and trigram. 2 comma 3 means bi and tri. That means combination of two words or combination of three words. Both the cases you take it. Okay, that's what we try to do here. Okay. So with just simple parameter n-gram, you can incorporate it. So what we did, count vectorizer, max feature 100. Okay. So binary is equal to 2 because we want that in a binary form we are getting it. And then we are giving is n-gram range. This parameter is helping us to provide the combination of bigram and trigram. Okay. If you want to give 1 comma 2, change it to 1 comma 2. That is unigram and bigram.
Right.
Change it to 1 comma 2 and execute. Although the numbers The vector what we're getting is very difficult to interpret in human eye because zeros and numbers is there, but technically it is what it is trying to do. Okay. So 1, 2 is your unigram and trigram. 2, 3 is bigram and trigram. Okay. Clear? So we have
Arpan, can you repeat that once more, Arpan?
in gram range 1, 2 means I am telling either you can have unigram and bigram. 2, 3 means bigram and trigram. Yesterday we have explained what is bigram, trigram. Combination of 2 words is bigram. Combination of 3 words, trigram. Unigram means single word also you get.
So that is 2, 1, 1, right? You asked us to do
1, 2.
1, 2 I told, na?
yeah 1, 2 yeah 1, 2 yes 1, 2 is but Arpan, I don't see any difference between 1, 2 and 2, 3.
It is difficult to interpret, but it is making the difference, okay? So the way we are trying to do it is doing it because it is very difficult because there are some dots in between.
Yeah,
Such
this one.
huge, it is not able to display the entire thing.
Arpan, can we reduce this so that we can understand where it is actually fitting? Like instead of having so many combinations like this.
That you can try it out later, but I mean, this is how you are trying to do it. You can change the dimension and see. Okay. Okay, let's move ahead. Now, let me see in a proper way. Suppose I give a smaller text and I want to print it and count the vocabularies and stuff like that. Okay. So in a simple text, rather than giving the entire data set, it will give you much better, clear picture what you are trying to execute here. Copy paste this code, smaller text.
Arpan, we are doing same bag of words only, right?
Yes,
Yeah, but this is a smaller vector.
it will give you better understanding.
Yeah.
Now understand. I'm sure I do not have to explain this. You are able to understand what we are trying to do. See the sentence, see the output, what it is trying to generate. Vocabulary, love is 3 times, right? Love 3, cat 1, and is 0. Okay. More is 4. Dogs is 2. It is not the count. What it is trying to give, it is giving the indices, right?
That's right, Arpan. It is
Dot vocabulary. What I think Chandrasekhar was saying, right? The indices of this one, it is trying to give. The most repeated ones. Cats came 2 times, right? That's why cats got 1 position. The most common words will get the lowest index. Okay. And then obviously and is getting 0 because and is part of the stop word, right? The and would have been removed. If you have done stop word, and would have been removed. Okay. So cats is coming, the most popular one is coming 2 times. That's why it is getting 1. Okay. Now, then obviously dogs has come, then it has come the love, and then so on, like that, because they only come uh, like that way. Okay. So that is how the vocabulary indexes is giving it to me. Is it clear?
Arpan, can you explain this one more time? This vocabulary, how is this coming?
and Arpan, this is looking like TF-IDF, like higher frequency and everything.
No. PFIDF, we are not using it here. but internally it calculates the frequency also. TF-IDF is different formula altogether, right? It's just a count.
But in bag of words, you didn't talk about frequency count and all those stuff.
Internally it counts it. It is giving you the vector. No, internally it also counts the frequency.
And in count vectorizer, you didn't specify the number of features like the vector dimension.
Default it to. Default it will be what? Default it is a unique word.
Size of 5
Number
only, right?
number of unique words.
Okay, which is 5 right now. So that's why dimension 5 got created. Huh?
Correct. That we saw yesterday, no?
Yeah, okay.
Arpan, can you please come again? Why we got the dogs F2 on lowest?
Yeah, even that is confusing, Arpan. Yeah.
Not confusing. You have to understand that why it is taking the max repetition. Okay.
Mhm.
So count vectorizer, what it is doing, it is tokenizing the input first,
Mhm.
and then it is building what? A vocabulary. Vocabulary is nothing but a dictionary, right? Key value pair, right? Of all unique word, and it is assigning an integer index to each word. Okay.
Okay.
Now the question here is why we are getting, say, love is equal to 3.
Mhm.
Okay. It is because it is, see, when you do an index, what it is done, I love cats and more cats, comma, I love dogs, right?
Mhm.
That is what you have.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, if I break it down, what you will have? I love cats and more cats love dogs. I can make like this. This is my unique things, right? Now,
Okay.
if I do what it is doing, it is sorting that. Okay, it is sorting that in an alphabetical order here. Okay. Now, if you see and, what will happen? And
Stop or like.
Okay, since it is
what?
stop,
Yeah,
it is
ideally we should have removed it, but we have not removed it, right? Okay. Now, since we have not removed it, and let us consider as of now, and is also part of the vocabulary. So, what will happen? If I sort it out, what will happen? Ascending order, guys. A will come first, right?
That's right. But A will come, then love will come, and then more will be there.
Correct. So, that's why A is getting the index of 0. Then cat is getting the index of 1. Ascending order.
Oh, got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Then dogs is next. It will come 2. Love is next. It will come 3. More is the last. It will come 4. Indexing it is doing, right? It is not the count. It is the index.
okay.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Got it,
Got
got
it.
it.
Yeah.
We were actually
it's
counting
clear.
it. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Count vectorizer. Although the name is count, but what it is counting, it is getting the unique words, and it is vectorizing it, means it is indexing it basis the appearance. So unique words it is taking and then sorting it alphabetically. Okay, alphabetically it is trying to sort, and then it is giving an index number. Okay, clear?
Got it.
And then just to transform encoding it, we are getting this 12011. So I'm sure 1 you are under 2 why we are getting, because uh, cat is there twice, right? I love cats and more cat. So that is why the index of cat is 2, right? So that's why it is coming. The 1 is for and, then 2 is for cat, and then 0 is for dog, because dog is not there. Dogs. Then the next one is for love,
and the next one is for more. Are you getting how we are getting the vectors? 1, 2, 0, 1, 1. And the next line why we got 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Encoded vectors, are you getting it?
Yes, Arpan.
Madhavi, did you got the encoded vectors? 1, 2, 0, 1, 1.
No, Arpan, I'm trying to. So the most commonly used words like if
Again, you are getting commonly used. No, no, no. Alphabetically, we have sorted it, right? What is the first
yes,
index?
yes.
And
Vocabulary I have understood, Arpan. It is sorted. C will come first, cats will come first, then we'll have dogs, then we'll have love, and then more will be coming later.
correct. Now, in the
Yes.
first sentence, I love cats and more cats. So, what is the one is telling? What is the first index? And is there. So, it is coming 1. Then the second index is what? Cat. Cat is there 2 times. That's why it is showing 2. Then what is the third index? Third index is your love. Not love. Sorry, it is dogs because it is 0, 1, 2. That's how it is in Python. The indexing starts from 0. So uh, the third word is third index. That is the second index, basically 0, 1, 2. The third in the index, which is with index 2, is dogs. Dogs is not there. That's why it is 0. Then what is there? Then it is love. Love is there once. So that's why it is 1. And then more. More is there. So that's why it is 1.
Okay.
Then the second line, I love dogs. So because and is not there, cat is not there. Okay. So
Only
0
love
and
and dogs
0.
are there.
0 and 0 it came. Then dogs is there once. So 1. Okay. Then love is there. So love 1. And
More
then
is not there.
yeah. And then the last one is more. More is not there. So 0. So that's why 0, 0, 1, 1, 0.
Okay. Yes, Arpan, got it.
I know it is little maths. It looks like that, but anyway, it is just for your interview purpose. You will not be able. They will not ask you like this, but even if they want to explain, you want to know the explanation, you will get like this. Okay.
Urban, one quick question. Can't we change vocabulary like ascending order, like and cat, dog, love?
No, you can't. This is the default one. Alphabetically, it will do. Let us increase the complexity. Copy paste the same code, same thing we are doing. Now we are just giving more bigger three sentences. So once we increase the complexity, you will get this. Okay. Copy paste the code. Almost time. We are just increasing the number of sentences. That's it. Okay. Same functionality. You can go through it. It's the same thing we're doing, but 3 sentences.
I love cats and dogs.
And,
Okay. Now the last one for today, I'm giving one code. This is not utilized. One hot encoding what Chandrasekhar was asking. Just have this code for reference. Did you not get the out? Package is also out, already out of date.
It's already up to date, yeah.
Up to date. You'll get an output, right?
I didn't get it. I got it.
You got it, right? You should get the output. I think
Yeah,
you have not
got the
copied the entire thing.
got the output. Got the
Print statement, you have not copied it. Or it's still executing for you.
Yes,
Scroll
yes.
down.
Yeah.
It's still executing for you. Very slow. So you can see sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3, right? People who have got the output.
Yes, Arpan. We got sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3.
Just like yesterday what we spoke, okay?
Happen we'll use all this type of coding in real time too? Should do all this?
Yes.
Oh.
We have still not gone inside LLM era. It is pre-LLM era. You will see LLM era later on when we move into. No, from tomorrow we will try to put inside the LLM era where they use deep learning technique to get the embeddings. Margarita. Okay. So we will get the so still we are in pre-LLM era where pre-LLM era we are just seeing what it was used utilized. These are not utilized in your LLM model. Okay. Okay. So post from tomorrow we will see how it gradually moved into the LLM era. Okay.
Happen we should get remember of all these packages, right, which are importing in order to do this.
Yes, you have to remember all this. With practice, you automatically will come. You will remember.